First of all, congratulations everyone who has made it into the Dream B School this year. The window of success may seem short, but we all know how long and full of anxiety that journey was that led you to this moment of launching your favorite B School tag. Now that you're here, don't you want to plan your next big achievement? To help you with that, we bring to you the first edition of Bullseye, a series of videos where we would interview the brightest minds of our college who have won national level competitions. Today we have with us Mr. Surit Singh. He is the winner of OnePlus ET Prime, a national level case study competition powered by OnePlus. He was also listed as one of the top 27 brightest minds in B schools by Economic Times. So Mr. Surit, tell us, how did you do it?
So, first of all, thank you, Atul, for calling me out in such a good manner. You have really said some kind words about me. What for me actually helped was that there were only 2 points on which I actually focused. First of all, being strategical and methodological in my way of approach. And second was, iterative way of learning. It's not only that you learn the thing, but if it is wrong, you have to unlearn it and relearn it then. Okay, so when I talk about structural way of approach, we all have studied in our first year that there are many ways through which we do market research, we go on with the experiments that we do. So in my competition, that was ET Prime Intellect, it was related to a competition which had a case presentation based on an e-mobility platform. E-mobility platform that has earlier ventured into many more services, and now it is thinking of going into e-mobility, and we have to give a business plan related to it. So obviously, going by our market research and other knowledges that we have acquired in our subjects throughout which we studied in first year, the first thing was doing research. Two types of research that we have studied is primary research and secondary research. So I started with primary research, then going on to the secondary research, in which I actually, did some secondary research on the companies who were already in the business. What is the government actually doing? What is the alliances that are made into this business? And how do actually, these companies progress? Now comes the third part that you can only achieve into a B school. The third part is the SWOT analysis, the pestle analysis, the Porter 5 forces, and all we can study in the first year. You have to apply it all. If you really want to get into the second or the third round, not only about the winner, but because they love those terms and they love your analysis, the deep analysis that you do. So these primary and secondary research was then structured. They were done analysis on, and then I came with a business plan, business cases actually. Around 20 to 25 business cases were made, in which I was showing that we can do this, we can do that, we can, there are a plethora of ideas that you come up with, but not everyone is feasible, as we all know. So I eventually went on to checking the feasibility by doing the break-even analysis of the project. That is the total cost of ownership that I'm giving to own something, a product like a e-bike or a e-vehicle, e-car or a electric rickshaw or a charging portal. Will I be able to, break even the cost and the sale in the next 5 years? If yes, then the selected business cases are proceeding into the next step. Then going on to the most important part that we all know. In any case presentation, you have to check the KPIs of all the players that you are including. Like I had to see the KPIs of the players from which I'm taking the charging infrastructure, KPIs of the people from whom I'm taking the vehicles itself, because I have to give them the profit. They won't, accept anything without that. So the fifth and the last point that I took was favorability. That is it favorable for the stakeholders? Are we giving them the required KPIs? Are we returning the investment for them? So these were the major and the broad points, not going into much detail of the project. These were the major points. Now, the case was very good in this term that it included problems related to all the sections of, our education, not only of marketing, finance, but I did finance into total cost of ownership, marketing when I was saying target platforms, HR also, because the company was facing some problem with senior leadership thing, and I thank Dr. Vartika Datta for that. She helped me a lot during those times, so that she could give me some reviews, what I can learn, and I can then proceed with that. So being into a general management course that we are in IIM Amritsar, it really helped me. That was the greatest factor that helped me, because I have the knowledge about each and every aspect of MBA that we are studying. So these are the things that actually helped me. And after that, there was the big D day on which I presented it to two big CEOs. and they were happy with the research that I did, because it was the only thing that they wanted to see is that have you done the necessary research, because in the first shortlist anybody can make it into the finals, right? But the
Yes.
presentation is the major factor. So this was my journey into ET Prime Intellect, and by God's luck and by I can credit my hard work also that I made it into the national list. So it is a proof for me, obviously.
It was lucky for us as well, knowing the fact that you're from all B school and you were able to crack it. So,
Yeah.
what are three advices that you would give to people who are just starting out in B schools? How would they approach competitions?
See, the first advice would be I've been emphasizing that throughout my previous thing that I said, that you have to focus on each and every aspect. Even if you are a marketing enthusiast, that does not mean anything. You have to go for those HR and finance subjects, because without that you won't have the strategic input and the output that you give to a company. Even in your internship, Atul, you and me have seen into internships. It does not only constrict itself to one marketing specialization or something. You have to focus on everything. Second is that whenever you are starting with a work, be it group presentations, quizzes, or your internship even, or a competition, you have to be structured. You have to have a structure first of all, and then stick to it. You just can't go forward with anything, right? And the third part that I would like to tell them is that be motivated. See, many people will pull you down that, yeah, it is very tough, you can't get. And that happens into IIM Ahmedabad and NMIMS, every B school that we are talking about, even ours. So you have to be motivated. And if you are motivated, you will get to the last rock and you will jump off the leaf.
And Surit, what was the most difficult obstacle which you had to overcome?
See, if you are talking about in MBA terms, that what is the most critical thing was the analysis part. I am an engineer. I had a technical knowledge, but not analytical knowledge. As you know, we use many softwares, Excel, R, and many models also to analyze the stuff. Now, when you are in first year, you are not very well versed with them. You are just learning. You are just taking the baby steps. Now, in a competition like this, you don't have any time to take baby steps. You have to take great leaps. So that was the most tough part in terms of the competition. The second the toughest part in terms of the quality of the competition was that many the competitors came from many B schools. They all have a very good set of exposure. They have done some work experience. Many of people have done work experiences into mobility sector only, Uber and Ola. So to get a edge above them, you will have to analyze. You will have to gather as much. See, I took primary interviews with people so that I could get some knowledge. Some of them even did not help me because their own colleagues were participating, but you will have to get through that. So this was the major difficulties that I faced.
Thank you, Mr. Surit. We got some great insights into how you should focus your first year towards winning these B school competitions. They really help you out to get confidence as well as during your placements. So thank you, Mr. Surit. We hope to see more success from you in the future.
Just a last thing, I would also congratulate every one of the new selects that have made into the college. May your first year and the second year be hell of a journey. You would enjoy also, and you would work also for bringing a brighter future for yourself.